everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing 24/7. In this video, we will be learning how to block someone on Picsart. To block a profile on Picsart, first of all open up the Picsart application and make sure to sign into your account. Now go ahead and click on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. Right under your username, you will be able to see the list of your followers and following accounts. To block someone from followers, go ahead and tap on followers. Similarly, if you want to block someone from the following list, go ahead and tap on following and find the contact you want to block. After finding the contact you want to block, go ahead and tap on the three dots at the top right hand corner from their profile and click on block user. Click the block button one more time to confirm your action. And there you have successfully blocked a certain contact on Picsart. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.